Welcome back to Watch Genius. Today we're showcasing 10 of the best Casio G-Shock watches icons of toughness, innovation, and bold design. Built to handle the harshest conditions, G-Shock timepieces are trusted by adventurers, athletes, and professionals worldwide. Whether you're after rugged durability or advanced smart features, these G-Shock models prove why the brand remains a legend. Let's jump in. Number 10. Casio G-Shock GMW B5000CS is a striking fusion of toughness and futuristic design, paying homage to the original 1983 G-Shock while introducing a bold new aesthetic. Its stainless steel case is treated with a black IP finish and features an intricate laser-engraved grid pattern, giving it a cyberpunk-inspired look that instantly sets it apart. Beyond its standout design, this watch is packed with advanced features, including Bluetooth connectivity, multi-band 6 radio-controlled timekeeping, and tough solar technology, ensuring accuracy and convenience without frequent charging or adjustments. The full metal construction maintains the legendary shock resistance of G-Shock, while 200-meter water resistance makes it suitable for diving and outdoor adventures. Its high-contrast STN LCD display provides excellent readability in all conditions, and world time, alarms, and stopwatch functions add everyday practicality. The GMW B5000CS blends heritage, innovation, and style into one iconic timepiece. Price $1,000. Number 9. Casio G-Shock G-Squad Pro GSW H1000 is the ultimate smartwatch for athletes, adventurers, and tech enthusiasts who demand durability and advanced functionality in one package. Built with G-Shock's legendary toughness, this watch features a rugged 65mm resin case, shock resistance, and 200-meter water resistance, making it suitable for any environment from extreme sports to underwater exploration. Powered by Google's Wear OS, it offers smart connectivity with notifications, maps, and apps, while specialized fitness functions track heart rate, altitude, GPS, and more. Its dual-layer display combines a high-resolution color screen for detailed data and a monochrome LCD for extended battery life, balancing performance and efficiency. The GSW H1000 also supports over 24 indoor and outdoor workout modes, making it a versatile tool for training and adventure. With its bold design, customizable watch faces, and cutting-edge technology, it perfectly merges style with function. Price $699. Number 8. Casio G-Shock Gulfmaster GN1000 is engineered for adventurers and maritime enthusiasts, combining rugged durability with advanced functionality. This analog-digital hybrid watch boasts a 53.4mm resin case, water resistance up to 200 meters, and a mineral glass face. Its twin sensor system includes a digital compass and thermometer, while features like a tide graph, moon age indicator, world time, and perpetual calendar make it a versatile companion for outdoor activities. The GN1000 also offers 5 daily alarms, a 1/100th second stopwatch, and a countdown timer. With a battery life of approximately 2 years, it's powered by a SR927W battery and secured with a buckle clasp. Available in various models, including the GN1000B1AJF, it caters to different aesthetic preferences. Prices for the GN1000B1AJF range from $236 to $359.42, depending on the retailer and condition of the watch. Number 7. Casio G-Shock Gravitymaster GPW1000VFC is a premium aviation-inspired timepiece engineered for durability and precision. Part of the Master of G series, it boasts a hybrid GPS and multi-band 6 timekeeping system, ensuring accurate time worldwide. The watch features a robust resin and stainless steel case, sapphire crystal, and a solar-powered battery, offering up to 6 months of operation on a full charge. Its shock-resistant design and 200-meter water resistance make it suitable for extreme conditions. The GPW1000VFC1AJF also includes advanced features like a digital compass, thermometer, and barometer, catering to aviation professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. With a retail price of approximately $1,099 USD, this model is discontinued and may be challenging to find new. However, pre-owned options are available, with prices ranging from $306 to $577 USD, depending on condition and seller. Number 6. Casio G-Shock MTG B2000 exemplifies the pinnacle of durability and design, blending advanced technology with robust materials. This collection features models like the MTG B2000D1A, MTG B2000B1A2, and MTG B2000YBD1AJF, each incorporating Casio's dual-core guard structure, which combines a carbon monocoque case with a metal frame for enhanced shock resistance. These timepieces are equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, tough solar power, and multi-band 6 radio-controlled timekeeping, ensuring accuracy and reliability. The MTG B2000YBD1AJF, for instance, is available for approximately $920 USD, down from its original price of $1,195 USD. Other models in the series are priced between $1,000 and $1,450 USD, depending on the specific features and finishes. These watches are ideal for those seeking a blend of functionality and style, suitable for both everyday wear and extreme conditions. Number 5. Casio G-Shock 21001 AJF watch offers a blend of durability and style. This model features a carbon-reinforced resin case, making it both lightweight and shock-resistant. The octagonal design, inspired by the iconic Casio 5600 series, gives it a unique aesthetic. With a 200-meter water resistance, it's suitable for various activities, from swimming to casual wear. The analog-digital display provides a balance between traditional and modern timekeeping. As of now, the GA2101AJF is priced around $170, depending on the retailer and any ongoing promotions. It's a solid choice for those seeking a reliable and stylish watch without breaking the bank. Number 4. Casio G-Shock GA1000 is a perfect blend of rugged durability and advanced functionality, designed for pilots and adventurers who demand precision in extreme conditions. With its dual-layer analog-digital display, this watch delivers world time, a digital compass, thermometer, and neon illuminator, ensuring you have vital information at a glance, day or night. Its shock-resistant structure and 200-meter water resistance make it ready for any adventure, from high-altitude flights to deep dives. The large, easy-to-read dial with luminous hands adds practicality without sacrificing style, while the resin band ensures a comfortable yet secure fit on the wrist. Combining Casio's signature toughness with aviation-inspired features, the GA1000 is ideal for those who never settle for less. Whether you're navigating uncharted terrains or simply looking for a statement piece that exudes strength and sophistication, this watch stands out. Priced at approximately $230, the GA1000 offers unmatched value for performance and reliability. Number 3. Casio G-Shock GWF D1000 ARR Frogman watch is the ultimate tool watch for serious divers and adventure enthusiasts, combining cutting-edge technology with G-Shock's legendary toughness. Part of the Master of G series, this limited edition, Frogman features a depth gauge, water temperature sensor, and digital compass, ensuring precise and reliable data even in the most extreme underwater conditions. Its ISO 200-meter water resistance and shock-resistant construction make it a perfect companion for deep-sea diving, while the anti-corrosive titanium case and robust resin band guarantee long-lasting durability. The analog-digital hybrid display provides clear visibility, and the luminous hands and markers allow effortless reading in low-light environments. With solar-powered functionality and multi-band 6 atomic timekeeping, it ensures you're always on time, no matter where your adventures take you. Combining advanced diving features, rugged style, and limited edition appeal, the GWF D1000 ARR Frogman is a must-have for collectors and professionals alike, priced at approximately $2,600. Number 2. Casio G-Shock GB01M, blending retro aesthetics with modern technology. Featuring a carbon fiber reinforced resin case and a dual-layer bezel, one in stainless steel and the other in urethane. This watch offers both durability and style. The GB01M is equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing seamless pairing with smartphones for enhanced functionality. It boasts a 200-meter water resistance, ensuring reliability in various environments. The watch's modular design includes interchangeable bezels, offering customization options to suit personal preferences. With a case size of 50.3 and 47/18.7 mm and a weight of 75 grams, it provides a comfortable fit for most wrist sizes. The GB01M series is available in multiple colorways, including the GB01 MVE9, GB01 MVA1, and GB001 MVB8, each priced at approximately $350 USD. Number 1. Casio G-Shock GA2200 is a modern take on the iconic G-Shock design, offering a blend of durability and style. Featuring a carbon core guard structure, this watch ensures shock resistance and 200-meter water resistance, making it suitable for various outdoor activities. The analog digital display provides versatility, while the lightweight resin band offers comfort during extended wear. With a case size of 50.8 by 47.1 or 12.8 mm and a weight of 57 grams, it maintains a balanced presence on the wrist. The GA2200 is available in multiple colorways, including black, blue, and orange, allowing users to choose according to their preference. Priced at approximately $130 USD, it offers a competitive option for those seeking a reliable and stylish timepiece. Availability may vary, so it's recommended to check with authorized retailers for the latest information. That's a wrap on our roundup of the best Casio G-Shock watches. Famous for their toughness, reliability, and innovative features, G-Shocks are perfect for adventurers, athletes, and everyday wear. Which model caught your eye? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more watch reviews here at Watch Genius.